In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to backup and restore all drivers before reinstalling Windows. First of all, you need to connect a USB drive on your computer so that you can store backup on an external drive. Go to File Explorer, click on this PC. This one is my USB drive and its drive letter D. Access to the USB drive. Create a folder here. Right click on empty area. Go to new and click on folder. Type the name. I am typing drivers. You can type any name. Minimize the file explorer. Now go to search. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. In command prompt type dism space / online space / export -driver space / destination clone. Type the drive letter. My destination drive letter is D. Clone / the destination folder name drivers. Sorry, this one is the \. Now hit enter and deployment image servicing and management tool is opened and exporting the drivers. The operation completed successfully. Now close command prompt, go to File Explorer and go to the drivers folder, and here you will find all drivers backup is stored here. Close File Explorer. After reinstalling the Windows, now the very simple way to restore all drivers from backup. Go to search. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. In command prompt type pnputil /add driver, then double quotation, and then the backup driver's location. In my case D drive, and the backup folder name is drivers, and then **.inf and double quotation close /subdirs and /install. This command will install all drivers from the backup. Now hit enter and drivers are installing, and the installation has been finished. Now you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power, and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope all drivers are successfully restored on your newly installed Windows computer. That's it.